Hey, welcome back to Others Legacy Farm. Today we're going to put together a green stalk growing tower. Last year we built one from the Dollar Tree and it did okay, but it's not the sturdiest in the world, so we're gonna go with one of these. We saw this on Roots and Refuge YouTube, and they talked very highly of it, and they had a nice discount code, so we went ahead and ordered it. So let's get it opened up. It comes with seeds also. I don't know what kind they are here. Italian giant parsley. And some really cool stickers. Yeah. Looks pretty well built too. It's pretty sturdy. So I guess we'll be putting this together. We also ordered, which came with a packet of seeds also, the lid, which you can water through the lid, and there's wheels for the base. And here's the base. It's got a swivel base and you got wheels so you can move it around pretty easy. So we'll see what happens when we get it all together.
For reference of the video that Dad was talking about, this is the planter that we did last year. It was the first video that got us over 1,000 views. So thank you. So this is kind of a step up from that.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yep. That's in there. All right. Well, thanks, Dad, for that great intro. He had to go to church. And we were reading the instructions, and we have to put dirt in it as we kind of build it. So we didn't want to build it over there and then have to haul a 3-ton planter over to the garden. So we're here in the garden. So we're going to set this up. We got to grab our compost and fill each one up. So we're going to grab some compost and put it in a wagon. Oh, that's good. Like my great grandmother always said, that's some good dirt.
Do you need a push?
Yeah.
Feeling a little winded?
Nope. I feel a lot winded.
To make them mobile.
All right.
All right. And I like these wheels because they lock. I'm a huge fan of locking wheels.
I think some of them lock, some don't.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Maybe we should stagger them. So we did staggered locking wheels. We're gonna put one of these on top. We do need to fill. We're gonna fill one with compost. That goes on top.
Yep.
Is that locking somewhere?
Nope, it just sits. It sits beautifully on top.
Oh, it's got these little legs that kind of.
They just sit nice
They
in
just
there.
kind of sit in this little form here. Oh, that's neat.
So we're just gonna fill it with compost and then just stack them. How high do you want it?
It was almost to the top, I think.
You got it?
Yep. We got our first tray. Set it on the one with the wheels, the base. Then we got our water tray. Sit it on there.
And it goes in between each one.
And it goes in between each one of them because they've got these little holes in them. So it'll give nice coverage.
Drainage.
Quality coverage.
Quality coverage.
Have fun. Be careful. It's going good.
Strawberries growing yet?
No.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's stacked. So these sit like
Now these things are pretty cool because when you stack them on top, you can see these little tabs here that kind of nest into the bottom one. So the top one will fit into the bottom one. So when you rotate it, it's going to stay straight. That's a neat little feature. Mm-hmm.
Yep. Let's roll it.
Well, that's sturdy.
Maybe roll it off. Oh.
So the water sits in there and just kind of helps it cascade down.
Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Nice. All right. So the top goes here. This is a water reservoir, right, Bill? Is it like a self-watering, basically?
Yeah.
It just controls the water
So it
flow.
controls the water. So if it rains, it waters itself. It's really, really neat. But then there's also this fun thing that sits on top of this that opens and closes. So if it gets too full, you can just close it, let it water itself.
It keeps the leaves and dirt and
Keep-
debris out.
It keeps all the gunk and the leaves and the the little helicopters that come down from the trees out.
And the maple trees.
So, and then I believe that Sunny and Peppa are going to put something under this to make sure it stands straight.
Yeah, you need a level ground for this, and this just, I mean, we've used this garden for years, and it's just the ground's just not level right here where we need it. So we're gonna put like a board. I put 3 boards here now, but they're just not that sturdy.
A little softer.
A little
than-
soft.
A little softer wood, almost like pallet wood. This was really easy to put together. It's very sturdy.
Yeah.
I mean, you saw us jostling it around, and it didn't come apart. We weren't even worried about
I
it.
think there's 72 pots.
There's 72 pots, Mama just said. So you've got 72 different herbs you can put in
We're
here.
putting strawberries.
We're putting strawberries in here, and I cannot wait for that. It's really exciting.
Yeah.
And this is an awesome buy,
And it only took like 20 minutes probably to put it together.
including getting the compost.
Yeah, including getting the compost. It's got 72 pots in it. With the one we made last year, maybe had 27, something like that. It was only about this tall, and the pots were maybe this big. This thing's a beast, man. I like this.
Yeah, I like this a lot.
I'm really excited to see what it can do.
Greenstock.
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 Greenstock.com. You can get this. So yeah, we like Papa said, we saw this on YouTube channel Roots and Refuge.
Thank you so much, Roots and Refuge, for this.
So they had an affiliate link with a coupon code, so we took advantage of that, and we could not be happier.
Usually in May they have a Mother's Day special.
And in May they have a Mother's Day special for these.
Yes.
And you can find this on greenstock.com.
sure you like, subscribe, and follow.